Hey everyone, welcome back to Tekboy Solutions. This video today is just a short tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to speed up your computer's start times and disable any unnecessary programs that may be slowing your computer down. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing the Task Manager. First things first, we need to open the Task Manager. To do this, press Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard simultaneously. This will bring up a menu. From there, select Task Manager. Or navigate to the bottom left of your screen. Click on the search icon or the search box. Type in Task Manager and click on it. Step 2. Navigate to the Startup tab. Once Task Manager is open, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Startup tab. This is where you can see a list of all the programs that launch when your computer starts up. Step 3. Reviewing the startup programs. Now take a look at the list. These are the programs that load when your computer boots up. Some are necessary, but others might not be. Take a look, determine what programs are essential and what programs you can disable. Step 4. Disabling startup programs. To disable a program from starting up with your computer, simply right-click on it and select Disable. This won't uninstall the program, it just prevents it from launching on startup. Step 5. Enabling startup programs. If you ever want to enable a program again, just right-click on it and select Enable. It's that simple. And there you have it. By managing your startup programs, you can significantly improve your computer's boot time. Remember to only disable programs you're familiar with. We don't want to accidentally disable anything important. If you have any questions or if there's a specific tutorial you would like to see, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you in the next video.